How to fix pending payments on Whatnot app. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Whatnot. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into Account section at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, tons of different options will be visible to you. Head over to Payments and Shipping at the very top. So in this page, you will be able to see all of the payment method that you have entered or added on Whatnot app. First of all, you will need to check whether you have entered all of the information correctly or not. Sometimes, all the detailed information might be incorrect and it might cause a problem while paying. So make sure all the informations are correct. Or what else you can do is simply remove the payment method that you have entered and then re-enter the payment method that you have entered before, or you can change it or enter a new one. Sometimes changing the payment method has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.